Hey guys, so we have a Firehouse sub. I already took a bite of it just to test it out. This is my first meal since I was on a liquid fast, and it's a sandwich. We have a pickle on the side. So we have an Italian sub. Oh, and still a little bit dizzy, sleepy a little bit, but here's the sub. I got a large. Pickle. This is so good. This is wheat bread. Peppy under there, under the arm. He right there, looking at me like something gonna fall. I'm only gonna eat this half. I got large. No, nothing half. Let me show you. Here's the other half. Oh, I didn't do a thumbnail. I hardly ever do a thumbnail. But I got the camera on this today, so. I got one napkin. I'll take my wrist thing off. Now he going to sleep. Fall on 20%. That was good. I'll save the rest for later. I'm just on the drink. So, that's when I took a sample of it in the car. So anyway, that clean out was a clean out. But it's amazing to see the pictures of a clean colon. It's so clear, like It's so clear. But anyway, I'm gonna put those videos together so you guys can see it. Well, I'm gonna put it out as a vlog, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go. Don't forget to put the like up. Don't forget to put a smile on your face because you never know what one is going to. Bye.